Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to switch from sub to dub on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Crunchyroll app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, find the anime you want to watch. You can use the search icon or browse from the home screen tab on the anime title to open its page. Now, choose an episode that supports dub audio. Not all shows or episodes have a dub, so the first step is important. Once the episode starts playing, tap the screen once to bring up the video controls. Look for the audio or settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or space bubble. Tap that icon. You will now see audio language options. Tap English dub or dub if it's available. The audio will switch right away from sub to dub. If you don't see a dub option, here is why. That means the anime may only be available in sub. The dub may not be released yet. Only certain season or episodes may be dubbed. If you don't see the dub option during playback, go back to the anime page, look for a season labeled dub, select that version instead. Once selected, the episodes will play in English automatically, and that's it. That's how to switch dub on Crunchyroll using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.